IELTS Reading Tips Type 2, Matching Heading. In the IELTS reading test you may be asked to match headings to sections of the text. This type of question tests your ability to understand the main idea of each paragraph. Headings are short sentences that summarize the information in a paragraph. You have to pick the one that best summarizes the information in a paragraph. You reading text to one heading. There are always more headings than paragraphs. Will be given between 5 and 7 headings and asked to match each paragraph in the. There are some common problems in IELTS reading tests. 1. There is too much information to get through and not enough time. 2. Trying to match a word or words from the headings to a word in the text. 3. Some of the headings may appear to have the same meaning. 4. Some students only read the first sentence of each paragraph and do not understand the main idea of the paragraph. Here are a few tips and solutions can help you do IELTS tests better. 1. Do this question first. By doing this you will be able to get the general meaning of the text as a whole, and this will help you with the rest of the question that requires you to take a more detailed look at the text. 2. You are not expected to read every word of the text. This will take too long and you don't have time for this. A good way to do this is to read the first 1 or 2 sentences and the last sentence of the paragraphs. You can also briefly look at the rest of the paragraph, but you don't have to read every word. 3. If there are words you don't understand, don't worry about this. Again, you should only worry about the general meaning of the paragraph as a whole, not individual words. Even native speakers will fail to understand every word in the IELTS reading test. 4. Be aware of synonyms. Many students look for words that match exactly with words in the text and ignore synonyms. For example, a keyword in the heading might be beautiful. However, the word you're looking for could be many different synonyms of beautiful, like attractive, pretty, lovely, or stunning. 5. If there are 2 or 3 headings that are similar, write them beside the paragraph and try to find out the difference between the 2 headings. What are the keywords? How does this change the meaning? Which one matches the paragraph best? 6. If you still can't decide which one suits best, move on and come back to it later. The answer will normally be easier to find after you have matched some more headings. And there are some strategy. 1. If this type of question is on the test, do it first. 2. Don't look at the headings. 3. Read the first 1 or 2 sentences and the last sentence of each paragraph to understand the general meaning of the paragraph. Don't worry about highlighting keywords in the test. Try to sum up the general meaning of each paragraph in 1 or 2 words. 4. Look at the headings and identify keywords within each heading. 5. Match any headings that are very obvious and you are sure about. 6. For the others, write 2 or 3 headings beside the paragraph. Identify the difference between each of the headings. Establish if there are any synonyms in the paragraph to keywords in the headings. 7. If you still can't pick one, move on. The answer will often reveal itself later. 8. Repeat until finished. Thanks for your watching. Let's see more videos to get more tips.